back for episode 21 of my lip color of the day series. As you can see, I already have some lipstick on. This is a bright pink liquid lipstick in the color Superb. And I did this one in another episode, done both of these now. This is a lighter pink in the color Sumptuous. And I'm just going to combine these two to kind of make an ombre lip. So we'll have the brighter pink on the outside and the lighter pink towards the middle. So let's try it out. You can see that kind of changed up the look a little, made it a bit lighter in the middle, a little more ombre-esque, and you could even bring it out all the way around and just totally change up the entire look and the entire color of it. This was in Superb and Sumptuous liquid lipsticks. There you have it. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.